Alright, here we are finding the axis of symmetry. But before we find the axis of symmetry, we must first find the vertex of this particular quadratic equation. And finding the vertex involves finding the A, B's, and C's and then plugging it into our good old formula for the x-coordinate of the vertex, which comes down to the vertex coordinate corresponds to negative b over 2a. So we take the values from our equation and substitute them in to our x vertex to find out the x vertex, and that's simply a negative 4 or minus a negative 4 over 2 times 1 gives us obviously a positive 4 over 2, or a simple coordinate of 2. So the x vertex coordinate of the vertex is 2. Now to find out the y corresponding, because remember the vertex is a point, it's an xy ordered pair point, so we take that 2 and substitute it back in to where we see x in the original equation to find out the y coordinate that corresponds to that value. And by substituting it in, obviously we have 2 squared minus 4 times 2 plus 1, and we do our math, and we end up with a value of y equals a negative 3. So the vertex of this particular parabola is the ordered pair 2 comma negative 3. So now that we've found the vertex, now we need to go ahead and plot that point. And we can also use our graphing calculator to get a rough estimate of what the graph looks like. We know it should open up because the a is a positive value. Once we graph the equation, we can see that we have a parabola opens up with a vertex of 2, negative 3. And what we're really looking for is the axis of symmetry is a vertical line that splits the parabola into two equal parts, two symmetrical parts, and it passes through the vertex. It always passes through the vertex. In this case, the vertex is 2 comma negative 3. So what we're really looking for when we're trying to find out the axis of symmetry is we're trying to find the equation of a vertical line that always, in this case, will always pass through the vertex. So we're looking for an equation of a vertical line that passes through the point 2 comma negative 3. And the trick is to find out, we've got to remember how to find out the equation of a vertical line, and that as always comes out, the equation of a vertical line is x equals some number. And that is the equation of a line. So remember that a vertical line has the value of x equals some number. So in this case, the number corresponds to the x value of the vertex, which in this case is 2. So the equation of a vertical line that passes through this vertex is x equals 2. And that will be your axis of symmetry, or equation of a vertical line. Always, always.